at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this 2022 plate Land Rover Defender 110, finished in Santorini Black. It comes with one owner, full service history, and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, making this a vehicle you can buy with confidence. It also has around £6,000 of optional extras, including a spoiler, side steps, and raised air intake. It also has a spacious and practical boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs or big adventures. Step inside and you're welcomed by a beautifully crafted cabin with Ebony resist and resolve seats that are durable yet comfortable. Both the front and rear are spacious and comfortable for all passengers, with plenty of legroom. The modern dashboard is centred around the touchscreen Pivi Pro infotainment screen, with navigation, CarPlay and many other features, while above you, the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light and can also be opened for fresh air and sun on those nicer, warmer days. The heated steering wheel gives you easy access to key controls such as voice control, volume, cruise control and lane assist. Two standout features of this Defender are the heated and cooled front seats and the refrigerator cool box, keeping refreshments cold on any journey. Finishing off this Defender is the electrically deployable Towbar with a 3.5 tonne towing capacity. With legendary capability and outstanding specification, this Defender is not one to miss. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.